Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reset the ice maker on a Frigidaire refrigerator. If your Frigidaire refrigerator's ice maker has stopped working, a reset is often enough to get it running again. Start by turning the ice maker off using the control panel, power switch, or wire arm, depending on your model. Also, make sure the water supply to the refrigerator is turned on, since the ice maker won't function without it. Next, reboot the refrigerator by unplugging it or switching off the circuit breaker for about 5 minutes. Then restore power and turn the ice maker back on. On some Frigidaire models, you can remove the ice maker cover and locate a small black test or reset button near an indicator light. Using a pen or similar tool, gently press and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds, although some models only require a quick press. You should see the ice maker begin a test cycle, which may include rotating the mechanism, ejecting any remaining ice, and refilling with water. After the reset, allow several hours, up to 24 hours, for normal ice production to resume. If the ice maker still doesn't produce ice, check that the freezer temperature is set between 0 Fahrenheit and 5 Fahrenheit, since temperatures above the range can prevent proper ice formation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.